This is the Insta360 Go 3 or 3S Easy Clip, and there are three reasons I like this Easy Clip and one reason I don't. But before we get to those, let's just get right to the reason. I'm guessing you're here. Most of you are probably looking at this because you either lost it or broke it, or perhaps you just want an extra clip for quick camera changes. And if any of those are the case, I'm assuming your number one question is this the same? Is this the same unit that came with the Insta360 Go 3 or 3S camera and all the accessories that came along with it? And I won't make you wait for the answer. Let's just take care of that now in case you don't feel like watching this entire video. And the answer to this is yes. This is the exact same unit that came with my camera package. And I have to assume it's the exact same unit that came with yours. It has the hat clip with the pivoting head, and it has the silicone base for setting it down. And your camera will snap into place magnetically and magically. And so yes, it's the same unit, but if you decide to stay with me, I will also show you three things you didn't know and also talk about the real problems with this design that you might want to keep in mind when you're using it. So let's get right into it. Here are three secrets that a lot of Insta360 Go 3 and 3S owners don't even know about their Easy Clip. Number one, you can use it as an ultra close-up face cam, or even better, as a baby face cam. To do this, you just put it on the brim of a hat facing yourself. And there are some hilarious viral videos of little one-year-olds wearing this camera pointed directly at their face. It's a good idea to put it into kids mode so that they're not distracted by the lights and the beeps, but otherwise it's easy and it's fun, and you should definitely try it if you have access to babies and haven't tried it. So number two, your Easy Clip has a magnetic back. And I know you probably already know that the camera has a magnetic back. We'll just attach it to the scissors. It's super easy, it's fun. You can put it on signposts and light poles and anything else that has a metal surface. You can put your camera on there. But a lot of us didn't know that the case itself, the Easy Clip, has the same capability, and that's without the camera in there. This is by itself. It has its own magnet that will stick on there, and then when you put on the camera, it will also pop in place and it will still hold very, very securely. And it's just as strong and secure as the camera itself, so give it a try. So number three, you already know you can use it on the brim of a ball cap, but did you realize you can also use it on a headband or the edge of a hat? And that can be super handy in tight areas, and it also means the camera can just be a little more steady since it's swinging around on a slightly shorter radius. Your pictures will be less blurry and shaky, and your viewers will appreciate that. And I lied. I actually have one more secret tip. Number four, you can fit your camera and all of its accessories into one of these little camera cases made especially for your Insta360 Go 3 or 3S. Prior to getting this, I was throwing all of my Insta360 Go 3 and 3S stuff into a pocket in my backpack, and everything was getting banged around. But then I got this case and life is so much better. It's tiny and it's compact and everything has its place, and it still fits in my backpack. Or I can even hang it off the side of my backpack using this carabiner clip. I'll put it in an affiliate link below if you're interested. And finally, here's the one thing I don't like about the Easy Clip. The reason I had to buy a new clip wasn't because I lost mine or because I wanted a second one as backup. It's because mine broke. And to be honest, I wasn't very happy that it broke because I definitely didn't treat it badly. There was no user error. There was no user error or user wear and tear. It just kind of came apart at the hinge for the clip part that attaches to the back. And it makes me wonder if a plastic spring hinge was really such a good idea when it just falls apart after normal use. It seems like they should reconsider and instead design it more like a binder clip with steel spring hinges. But I don't know, this is lightweight and the cost isn't too bad. But still, it shouldn't be falling apart, but it's still probably the best option for now. And I hope this short video has helped you decide if this Insta360 Go 3 or 3S Easy Clip is right for you to purchase today. And thanks for watching.